So today we're going to open up the Melissa and Doug Nachos playset. I'm in the mood for nachos, so let's get this opened up. Okay. All right. This is a 46-piece set, ages 3 and up. Let's see what we have. Okay. Alrighty. Such a cute little set. I mean, for 46 pieces, this is a good size, right? So to start, we have, this is our little tray. It's made out of plastic. I don't think it would come undone. It kind of looks like it's maybe glued in the corners, but it's feeling pretty sturdy. Pretty typical plastic that Melissa and Doug uses for things like this. So there's our starting point. Okay, cute. So here are the tortilla chips. On the back, they have kind of like a felt, or I'm sorry, not a felt, but like a grippy material. So yeah, we can kind of start adding those in here. That's super cute. So we have our chips. Next, we have some felt pieces that for our toppings. So we have some maybe shredded lettuce. We have some pico de gallo, some tomatoes. We have some meat, olives. Oh, here's another chip. Stick that in there. We can put our black olives, more tomatoes. Very brightly colored. I love the colors on this. It's very appealing. It's not hard on the eyes. We have some other little foods. We can put some, maybe those are jalapenos, some guacamole. You can fit a lot in this too. I'm pulling out all of these pieces for the most part and fitting them all in here. Got our beans, and they're fitting really well. So we've got all of our toppings. We need some cheese. These are some nice little felt pieces that we can sprinkle on there. Okay, this is so cute and fun. All right, and then we have some hot sauce, just a little dab of hot sauce. Let's see what else we have. Okay, so we got our little tongs that we can use to pick up our ingredients. We have some other little toppings. This would be potentially the hot sauce, so you can drizzle on. Maybe some sour cream. And then, this is cute, we have some pretend money. That's awesome. This set would be great. Melissa and Doug has a food truck pop-up tent. This set would be perfect for that. This is such a nice little condensed set. It comes with a nice little, little carrying box that has the spots for all of your items. And this would be a fun little addition to any little play kitchen or the food truck pop-up tent that I mentioned. Really cute.